Hello everyone, it's TMJ. I'm back with another video. This is part 2 of rebuilding the storeroom. So yeah, today it's very windy. We're just going to buy the materials at the hardware, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow we can start doing the building part. So yeah guys, let's go with us to the hardware. So yeah, let's go. So Msanda, you will be able to do the roofing tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today is very windy, so I don't know.
Sure.
Don't want you to fly.
Yesterday.
It was worse.
No. Didn't see if you go.
No. Even the way you could not see.
Yeah, you not see.
Now let's give it.
You see the cars, you can light a light. So alright.
Oh, you could not see.
Yeah, you see you. Very dark.
Let's give it a day and see. Maybe tomorrow it will be better. Then we can start with we can continue the process. Hopefully tomorrow. So yeah. So yeah, this is the price of the materials we need for the storeroom. It's 4 zinc and four pair lines and nails. We already have other nails, so we just added 1 packet, and then we already have beams. So yeah, total cost is 1,170, and then yeah, they also offer free delivery. So I guess they just overcharge us so they can also cover the part of free delivery. So yeah guys, this is the total cost, and then they're going to deliver probably today, and then we'll start with the process tomorrow, since it's very much windy today. So I don't think we'll survive with zinc. It can be a bit dangerous when it's windy. So yeah guys, we're going to start tomorrow, so I'm just going to leave the video here for today, and then yeah, we'll continue. Hello everyone, it's TMJ. We're back again. This is day 2 of part 2. So yeah, we're going to be finishing off the collapsed storeroom. So as you can see, that is the material. Musanda is already here. So yeah, Musanda is a soldier today. Don't ask me much. So yeah, let's get on to it. So yeah, this is all the material we paid yesterday, but it's at the moment mixed with the other ones that was used by our previous construction. But yeah, these are the four pair lines there, and the zinc there, 4 of them. So yeah, let's get on to it. So yeah, he's gonna start by demolishing the old slab on this part of the room. There's a slab there, and then this is the side where the slab failed. So he's gonna start by demolishing that slab and this side of the building, just to make sure that the roof can sit correctly, because initially it was just a flat space for the slab. So yeah, now it's gonna start by demolishing like that, and yeah, this is how it's going to be. While he's demolishing the slab here, I have a bit of example of how I'm on this side. This is how thin the slab was, so you can imagine this slab holding a whole 2.4 liters of water, so it was bound to fail. So this was the size of the slab here done. So this is why the slab failed. So, and because it was on top of the roof, we couldn't see that he did the size of the slab. We just thought maybe he did something like this big, but yeah, he did something this small. So this is the reason why the slab failed. So right now we are demolishing part of the slab there, and then we're putting a whole roof of zinc. So yeah, this is my advice to people who are doing stands for the tanks on top of the toilets and storerooms like this.
That's why you do the finishing.
Anna man. Hey, so so my advice, please guys, when you're doing something like this, make sure it's safe and strong, because yeah, a tank is very strong. So be careful when you do something like this. Make sure that it's done in a proper way. I'm learning the hard way, but yeah, this is just my advice to someone who would ever think of doing something like this. Just make sure you find people who understand this properly, not chance takers. So yeah. So yeah, this is the progress so far. I'm Sanda. We're showing to. Yeah. You're doing very good job. Mara mobile ma planga o shumshe water pass ne. Yar marveli 11, okay. Yeah, this is the roof. It's taking shape. So because we are putting a roof here, we have to take this plaster out here, so we can put a wire to hold the roof itself, so that it doesn't fly, you know. Yeah, so there has to be wires that are added to hold the roof. So we're trying to hold that. We're trying to do those wires there, and yeah, the wall is very, very, very strong. For some reason, these guys were plastering and building here. They were able to build it strong, but failed with the slab. So yeah. So yeah, those are the cables to hold the roofing. And then this side is already done, as you can see here. So yeah, then this side, that will be the cable to hold the roof. So yeah, this is how it's done. So we did that one there and here, this one here. Now we are doing this one to hold this one, and then this will be the last one. And then we'll do this, repeat the same process at the back. So yeah, this is how you hold the roof to the building. So these are 6 meters zinc, so we need 3 meters. So this is like cutting them into 2 to make them 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters. So yeah, they come like this as a 6 meter. So you have to cut them into 2 to make them 3 meters. We cut the zinc into 2. So yeah, this is how I do it. This is how Sander does it. Very quick and sound. This guy, guys, is full of magic. Eh? So this were 6 meters, so we've cut them into 2, into 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, because we needed 3 meter at the building, and the hardware at the hardware they don't have. So yeah, this is all that we need. This is the inside. Yeah, me and Musanda, we are arguing about the zinc, if they'll finish the whole thing. He's saying that he's confident that they will finish, but I feel like there might be something missing. By the way, we have only 3 left here. 3. It's 3 meters. So yeah, hopefully they finish, because yeah, we don't want to be going back to the hardware. So I'm hoping that they'll do indeed finish. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, this is how it looks now. So we have 1 left. Hopefully finish the last part. Yeah, so this is how the first room looks like. This is the storeroom part. Yeah, so there's one left here, and then we will be done. So yeah guys, this is how it is right now. The roof is almost finished. We are just only left with filling up those gaps and putting maybe 2 lines on top of the roof just to seal the roof, but otherwise this is how it looks now. So yeah, I'm very much happy that at least that slab is out now. So yeah, that's the good part of it. So this is how it looks, this side and this other side. So yes guys, so yeah, we're quickly doing a half a bag mixture of cement to try and fill up those gaps before the sun goes down. Yeah, we're just trying to fight against time, but yeah, let's see how far we can go before night time. Yeah, this is how it looks. So you can see here we're already closed, and then we're left with that part. So yeah, let us push guys. Hopefully we'll finish by the end of today. So yeah, now it's sealed. It looks very nice. We're only left with plastering and then we will be done. So yeah, this is how we wanted it to be. Unfortunately the sun is out, but yeah, we managed to at least close it. It's only the back and the other side left. So yeah, at least. So yeah guys, this is it. We are done for the day. As you can see, it's sealed. It's only the back and the other one side left. So yeah guys, this is how we do it here at TMJ World. So make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. I'm going to be taking you on journeys that I go through as a man. So yeah guys, those who want to see more of this content, make sure you like and subscribe and switch on the notification button so that whenever I post you get a video. So yeah guys, this is the end of part 2. So unfortunately we are going to have part 3 as there's still a lot of job to do. We are left with plastering in and out, and yeah, making sure that it's nice. So I'm going to take you on the journey of painting it as well and making it a nice toilet, bathroom and a storeroom next door. So yeah guys, make sure you like and subscribe and help grow the channel. Thank you. So Mkanda, how do you feel about today's progress?
Oh, this project.
Yeah, about today's progress. How do you feel?
I feel so good.
You feel so good.
Yeah.
Oh.
I feel so good.
At least we pushed, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
We must get the finish tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah guys, as you can hear, Msanda will be doing the finishing part. So part 3 will be finishing up the building. So make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see Musanda more.